the side starts up here.
This is the hair. Hey guys,
welcome to our channel. How's everyone doing?
Hope your day is going well. It is a bright and sunny day, and today we have a different video from our last few. We've been doing a few shopping hauls, but today we are doing a hair tutorial. And the hair that we are doing, Sosie's going to be doing me a half up, half down Ariana Grande style hair.
Yeah.
So I've tried to do this a lot on myself. That's like her signature hair look, and it's super cute. When I do it on myself, I just don't get it
right.
The amount of hair.
It's hard to do it like by yourself.
Yeah, like, and it matters where you part it and the amount of hair you take to really get that look. I was doing it on myself for a while, and then she did it on me one day, and I was like, oh my gosh, like this looks totally different than how I've been doing it, and it looks so much better. So we are going to be sharing that with you today, and Sosie will take you through step by step how to get this look.
This is the product I use. This is for parting, brushing the hair tie.
This is a little detangler brush. My hair gets super tangled.
Oh my god.
So we also have, let's show them the spray that I use. If you guys have tangled hair, try this. It's the Bumble and Bumble, what does it say? Hairdresser something. I don't know, people put their hand there so that it shows. That's it. It's really good if you have tangled hair, and it also just like primes your hair, heat protection, so it's a lot of like all in one.
We're gonna get started. I take more this side and take like half, like a little bit less in the middle. Like I take more this side, like this. Keep it, and then I go to the other side. The same thing at this side.
It takes more, she says, from the sides.
From the sides, and then I take less in on the middle. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, that's the middle part. That's the different. This is less, and then the side, the two sides more. You can see starts here, and then the side starts up here. I take more this side and the other side, because when you tie it up, it looks you have more hair. When you leave it down, it looks you have more hair. There, like just brush it.
Sosie also knows how to French braid. So if you guys are interested in seeing a video on French braiding, how to French braid, let us know in the comments. She braids really good.
And then when you tie the hair, you don't move your hand. You just put the hair tie and pull your hair. But because if you move your hand, it's gonna be like not in the middle.
And she's doing it very tight.
Yep. And then you just pull it. Because if you move your hand, it's not gonna be in the middle. It's gonna be just to the side, and then do it. And then I will comb the hair first.
Do it, it's so quick. And it's kind of good when you're in those in-between days, in between washes. You know, usually like after 2 days, I'll put my hair up in a ponytail because it's not good to wash your hair every day. But this is like cuter than just having your hair up in a ponytail, but it achieves the same effect of when you're throwing it up if it gets a little oily. It's like half up, but you still have it down, but you have like that part, you know, hidden.
Yeah.
So this is the hair. Do you want to explain, Sosie, what happened?
This is the hairstyle, but I don't like it when it's like when you use the thin hair tie, which is this one. Go closer. It's just this is the thin one, but we're gonna do it with the thick one, with the good one. But it's similar. It's nice. I like it like this to loose. It doesn't like hurt you. Like when you put the ponytail, it hurts when it's like too tight. But that one it hurts. But this one is good. It doesn't hurt, but it looks a little bit off. And then we're gonna try it with the thick ones, with the good one.
It looks cute. Yeah, something's off about how we usually do it. So let's see if it's the hair tie.
But here, does it feel good?
Oh yeah, it's a lot lighter. Like it doesn't pull as much or give you
Yeah.
a headache. And then this is how it looks from the side.
This is how it looks from the side and the other side.
Same thing.
And then that's the back with the long hair. The first one was with the thinner hair tie, but this one is with the thicker. It looks better. It hurts when it stays there like longer, but it looks good. I prefer get beauty hair. I prefer the good one, but it hurts. It hurts you.
It lifts
Like the
more.
hair, because it's thick and it's strong. That one it's thin. It just goes down.
Yeah, it falls.
Still looks good, but that one is like, ugh, I don't like it that much. But I love this one.
Yeah, so this is how it looks with the thicker hair tie. Super cute hairstyle. It doesn't take a lot once you get used to it, but I think definitely learn how to part it properly, and once you learn that, it will be a lot faster.
Yeah.
Like she does it for me, usually it'll be like 5-10 minutes and you have like a nice hairstyle. And like I said before, when you're in between washes, this is like, you know, a way to cover if your hair is getting a little oily while still looking cute.
Super cute.
So that's our little hair tutorial for today. We hope you liked it. If you enjoy these hair tutorials, leave us a comment. We can do some more.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah, leave us a comment, and we will see you in the next video.